Key terms that you need to know about Azure Cloud Security. Continued. Like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see similar videos on disruptive technologies. 12. Microsoft Defender for Identity for ADFS. It is a cloud-based security solution that leverages on-prem AD signals to identify, detect, and investigate advanced threats. 13. ADFS. ADFS is on-prem SSO solution by Microsoft, used to authenticate users into apps that are incompatible by AD authentication. Provides managed domain service such as domain join, group policy, and Kerberos authentication. 14. Azure Key Vault Firewall. Azure Key Vault Firewall is security for Azure Key Vault to make sure that the key vault is not accessible by default to public IPs. 15. KQL. Kusto Query Language is an advanced hunting query language. 16. Analytics Rule. Analytics Rule is a built-in queries written by MS security experts. You can see the query and make changes to it in Sentinel. You can create your own analytics rule as well. 17. Workflow Automation. It is an automated response to events on MS Defender for Cloud, done with the help of Logic Apps. 18. Azure AD Editions. Azure AD Editions are free Office 365 apps, Premium P1 and Premium P2. 19. Azure Blueprints. Azure Blueprints is package or container for set of standards, patterns, and requirements related to implementation of Azure Cloud Services. Is used to maintain security and designed to maintain consistency and compliance. 20. Microsoft Defender for Resource Manager. Automatically monitors the resource management operations in organization. 21. Application Proxy. It is a feature of AD that enables users to access on-prem web app from a remote client. 22. Virtual WAN. Networking service that brings many networking, security, and routing functionalities together. 23. Policy Initiative. It is a collection of Azure policy definition towards a common goal. 24. Policy Definition. It maintains cause-effect relationship. Example, if the resource is non-compliant, restrict the access to network. 25. Microsoft Managed Keys. Encryption keys can be platform managed or customer managed. Platform managed keys are called Microsoft Managed Keys. 26. Microsoft Defender for Office 365. It validates for safe attachments, safe links in the emails. 27. Risky signs. A sign in risk represents the probability that a given authentication request isn't authorized by the identity owner. Some examples are atypical travel, activity from anonymous IP address, and possible travel. 28. Administrative units. An administrative unit is an Azure AD resource that can be a container for other Azure AD resources. An admin unit can be for developer, security team, engineering team. 29. RAMP. Rapid Modernization Plan helps you quickly adopt Microsoft's recommended privileged access strategy. 30. Service Principal. Local representation of an application object in a single tenant or directory. Service Principal define who can access the application and what resources the application can access.